Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. So this is my absolute beginner's Chinese Mandarin lesson. I'm not a Chinese teacher, however when I was in China teaching English for a few years I picked up Chinese, or spoken Chinese that is, informally, and I feel I can teach it to absolute beginners. So here we go. The original purpose of this video was to be a reminder to students who I gave a Chinese lesson presentation to at my helicopter training school where I'm learning to fly. However, if you just stumbled across this video and you're not one of them but you're a beginner, I hope you find it useful. So let's get started. Chinese is a tonal language. So there are 4 different tones and a neutral tone, and they affect the meaning of each character. So the tones are extremely important. So here we go, first tone, flat tone. And we'll use a word here. We'll use ma. There's a tone. I'm using the Pinyin, which is the romanized version of Chinese we can write with our English alphabet letters. So, first tone, flat tone, ma, ma. Second tone, rising tone, ma, ma, ma. Third tone, descending then rising, ma, ma, ma. Fourth tone, descending tone, ma, ma, ma. So they're all spelt the same in Pinyin. However, the different tones change the meaning. Ma, first tone, flat tone. Ma means mother. Second, rising tone. Ma, ma, ma means hemp, hemp. The third tone, descending then rising, ma, ma means horse. Fourth tone, descending, ma, ma, ma means to scold, to scold. Yes, to scold. And there is a final neutral tone, which is nice and easy, somewhat similar to the first tone, and that is very simple, there's nothing much to it. So you'd read that very naturally, ma, ma. And we actually add this neutral tone to the end of sentences to make a question sometimes. So, those are the tones. Once again, first tone, flat tone, ma, ma, mother, means mother. Second tone, rising, ma, 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 means hemp. Third tone, ma, 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 means horse. Descending tone, fourth tone, ma, 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 means to scold. Neutral tone, ma, we add that at the end of a sentence to make a question. Okay, so let's start with putting these tones into use and getting some words done. So, to say me or I, we say 我. Third tone, descending, rising. Third tone, yeah? 我, 我 means me or I. Now, you, singular. 你. Again, third tone, descending then rising. 你 means you. Finally, he, she, or it. Third person, 他 ta. What tone do you think that is? Ta, ta, ta. First tone, yeah, first tone, ta. There we go, so 我你他我你他 Alright, so let's get our first expression done. We're getting through this pretty quickly, aren't we? Okay, so let's say 你好. You may have heard this before. 你好 means hello. So you, 你, just like we did there. 你好. Both have the third tone, descending, rising. 你好, 你好 literally means you good, you good. Sorry, that's the clock. So yeah, 你好, 你好, you good. Third tone, third tone, third tone, third tone. 你好, you good? Now, how do we ask somebody what their name is? Ask somebody what their name is. Okay, we say 你叫什么? 你叫什么? So you are called what? This m at the end is the neutral tone. Remember the neutral tone. Very easy to say. Third tone, 你. Fourth tone, descending. 叫叫叫什么? Rising tone. Second tone, rising tone. 什么什么什么什么你叫什么 You are called what? What's your name? 你叫什么 Let's start putting these together. 你好你好你叫什么 There it is. So, what would our response be? See if you can think what the response would be to this 你叫什么 question. So the response would be I. 我 I. 我 I am called. 我叫 我叫 Charlie. There it is. 我叫 Charlie. Let's practice a conversation now. Okay? I'll show you it first. I'll be two people here. 你好你好你叫什么我叫 Charlie. Let's try it with you. 你好你叫什么 Okay, so maybe you just said 我叫 whatever your name is. Now, a very easy expression you can use in Chinese to say how about you or what about you, or in this case, how about your name, what's your name, is we can just say 你呢你呢 Neutral tone, 呢你呢你呢你叫什么我叫 Charlie. 你呢我叫 whatever your name is. So there it is. Basic introductions. Now you'll learn how to say, what country are you from? 你是 you are 是 is are 你是你是哪国人？你是哪国人？ You are what country person? So this is spelt ren, but it's more of r sound. 人，你是哪国人？人，哪国人？哪国人？ Third tone, second tone, second tone. Rising, rising. 国人，国人。你是哪国人？你是哪国人？ What you are what country person? What country are you from? And the response is starting with I, me, 我是 England 英国我是first tone 英国 second tone 人我是英国人英国人我是英国人 And we could say 你呢 How about you? Just like before 你呢 How about you? I'm English. How about you? 我是英国人你呢 You can say I also am English. 我也是我也是 Sorry, that's the third tone on yeah. I'm making this video in a hurry. Okay, 我也是我也是我也是我也是 I also am 我也是 I'm also English 我也是 So once again, what country are you from? I'm English. How about you? I also am. 你是哪国人？我是英国人。你呢？我也是。我也是。And now, finally, I'm going to teach you how to express your like or love of something. So, to like is 喜欢喜欢喜欢喜欢 To like is 喜欢 Third tone, then first tone, flat tone 喜欢喜欢 So there's X in the Romanized Chinese. It's an X is sh, so sh sound. 喜欢喜欢 is to like. Okay? So you can make a question now using this. 你喜欢飞机吗？飞机 means aeroplane, aeroplanes. 你喜欢飞机吗？ Ma, the neutral tone word that we add at the end to form a question. 你喜欢飞机吗？ Do you like planes? Do you like planes? 你喜欢飞机吗？ And the response could perhaps be 是 means yes. 是我喜欢你呢 Can you guess what that means? Yes, I like them. How about you? 是我喜欢你呢 And we could respond, yeah, I also like them. 我也喜欢。我也喜欢。我也喜欢。我也喜欢。Now, so 是 is yes in this case. 是 is yes. Not or no is 不. Also fourth tone. 不. So if you want to say you don't like something, you can say 我不喜欢,我不喜欢. But in this case, how about we say I don't like them, I love them. To love is I. I, fourth tone again. These are all fourth tone. 我爱, I love something. So you could say, I don't like them, I love them. 我不喜欢.我爱飞机. I don't like them. I love planes. 我不喜欢,我爱飞机. So there it is. I'm going to include the sort of reminder sheet for this lesson that you can maybe screenshot and or print out and use that to help you go through this lesson again and again perhaps, and also remind yourself when you're not using YouTube how to speak what you learned in this lesson. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching. Bye.